Some village names come from geography, some come from animals, some come from occupation, but some names are born from a single act of courage. This is the story of Umuokogbuo, the son of Okogbuo. Okogbuo was my fifth great-granduncle. Owuru was my fifth great-grandfather, both sons of Ezaja. And by tradition, Owuru, the eldest, held seniority. In Igbo culture, seniority matters, birth order matters, but sometimes history interrupts tradition. One day, during a village meeting, something happened that could not be undone. Ezaja, a respected elder, was insulted. Not only insulted, he was struck on the head with a stick, in public, in front of his people. In Igbo society, this wasn't just an offense. It was a humiliation, a rupture in honor. Ezaja returned home in silence, and later he told his wife what had happened. Words spoken quietly, but carrying weight. Okogbuo heard the story, and something changed. This was not about anger. This was about duty, about honor, about defending one's father. Okogbuo vowed to seek justice. Okogbuo confronted the man responsible, and when he returned with proof. The head of the man who dishonored his father. This was not celebrated lightly, but it could not be ignored. Courage had spoken louder than birth order. From that moment on, Okogbuo's name carried power, and the descendants of Ezaja were no longer identified by seniority alone. They became known as Umuokogbuo, sons of Okogbuo. My father is from Umuokogbuo, from Eluama, from Isuikwato, Abia State. This is not just history, it is inheritance. Courage travels through bloodlines, and names remember what we must never forget.
Hey, from Eluama to the world. Umuokogbuo, spirit of the lion, with the rise today. Umuokogbuo, head of the lion, mama the Zeja. Courage they flow for the blood. Okogbuo na the name we stand up. Umuokogbuo, strength we no fit ever fall. From Isuikwato to the world, we carry the crown, we stand up. They talk say seniority na by birth, but sometimes it they come from the heart. Owuru were the first for the line, but the Okogbuo spirit it they shine. When them strike Papa Ezaja, wound down for head with a stick. This kind insult no be small. Okogbuo talk I no fit sleep. Him carry fire for him chest. Lion dey run inside him breath. Who touch my father must answer. Village begin fear the matter. Umuokogbuo, head of a lion, mama the Zeja. Courage they flow for the blood. Okogbuo na the name we stand for. Umuokogbuo, strength we no fit ever fall. From Isuikwato to the world, we carry the crown, we stand bold. Yeah. He confront the man face to face. Spirit of warrior they for him gaze. Before the sun even touch the sky, Okogbuo return, justice arise. Village kicking head the brave one. Youngest son but him heart stay strong. Respect passage na truth my dear. Bravery make elders declare. Any child will come from this blood. Go hawk return or never back down. From today till tomorrow, your name will be you. Okogbuo, who get courage for the land. Who stand tall like lion heart. Who defend Papa with truth and fire. Okogbuo, lion blood run for our veins. From Eluama to the whole world, our story they shake the ground. Umuokogbuo, legacy never go fade. Okogbuo stand, we stand with them. Isuikwato forever proud. My father's land, Umuokogbuo, Eluama people. This courage no be story, na inherit inheritance, we carry it. Give it, we are it. Why